Hello again, Choro-Q fans, and in particular Nissan Skyline fans as well. I got 4 more of these Skylines here by Choro-Q, and if I was looking at the back plates and they said 2 of them say the Skyline Collection, so I thought I'd pull up this image here and share this with you guys if this is of interest. And I know it's of interest to me. It says copyright 2004, and then it's got the first Skyline Prince Skyline coupes. I'm gonna have to try to get one of those guys. I don't know, it's Sport BLR43. I don't even understand what that is. I think that's the 1954. Oh, I don't know. It's a different window scheme. Well, anyways, there seems to be a couple more Skylines gonna have to collect from, Choro-Q. Alright, so I picked all these guys up loose, so no packaging, so that's why I pulled up the image here. Alright, let's start in order here. This is the Hakosuka coupe. And, alright. Got painted silver headlights. I wish they were clear plastic. You can see the smoked plastic of the canopy here. Oh, it might be a separate piece. Alright, well anyways, there's a texture in here painted black. The lettering is raised, which is nice. There's also something printed on the bumper, but I can't make it out. Maybe it's Japanese text. My screen isn't too large. Printing here for this marker, the door handle, and the S that's raised is cool. Oddly, there's nothing printed on that bump. And then the rear fender flares are painted this like metallic gray. Looks pretty nice. Oh, this is from the Jay's Tipo collection. I have a few others from that collection. It's a great collection. It was a 15 car set of cool Japanese cars. Oh, there's also something here. Maybe like a registration tag or something. I don't know. I can't make it out again. Yeah, sorry. Alright, so well, this one says 02, so copyright 02, but they put out a set in 04. Alright, simple enough. It's a wind-back toy, all these things, if you're unaware. But I just like them because they look pretty cool. Painted wiper blades there. I think the greenhouse is actually a separate piece. You can see it's transparent through the bottom. But the body here, I think, is actually molded white plastic, so that's a little different. Some of them are just all one plastic and they're paint the rest of the colors on. So I guess this brand changes. They've been making these models or these toys for 40 years, so it's bound to happen. Okay, let's take a look at the next one here. And this is from that collection again. It says it's a KDR30 2000 Turbo RS. And so on the front we have just some painted silver headlights. Those little inlets there molded in. Yeah, some details here, okay. And then, yeah, the marker is painted. Doesn't seem to be any door handle at all. And then, looks like some black paint for the smoked tail lights. What's neat about this one is it has a little separate antenna piece. Oh, and there's a little silver paint here along that part of the door. I'm not sure why, but it has it, so, okay. When did this one come out? 2004, okay. Glossy base. I don't know about the canopy. Is it a separate piece or not? Yeah, I think it is again. You can see the smoked plastic there. Alright, so this also is a different type of body where like it's split in half. So the whole bottom half here, you can see a break here with the silver. So this whole base, bottom half of the car is one piece of plastic painted black. And then the top half is, painted silver, and then there's a separate piece for the canopy. So, that's pretty cool. A lot more detail than I'm used to than being from this brand. The third one says number 39. So I don't know if this is considered just a regular release. Nissan Motorsports International. Maybe there was a Nissan Motorsports set. The taillights here, they have some detail, molded in, and they're painted red. There's a wing here. Is it separate? I kind of feel like it's the same piece as same piece of plastic, but they actually molded a little air recess in the back, so that's pretty interesting. This also looks like a two-part body. I can see a seam here, but it's kind of weird because it's all the same color. Anyways, this is 2002, made in Taiwan. Okay. And then again, the canopy is just transparent, and this time you can see the clear of the headlights. So this one actually has some transparent headlights. Alright, so molded details, but no color. So maybe this is just a regular Choro-Q release. Please leave a comment if you know. Yeah, I would assume so, because it's lacking a lot of details. Again, no door handles. Weird. No wiper blades. Alright, well. The very last one is basically just a different color choice. Oh, but look, see, there's more detail on this one. So when is this from? 2004. 2000 GTS KRR31. Is that what the other one said? No. This one says GTSR, but if you look at them, I think the molds are identical. Yeah. Right? But there's a lot more. Oh, it's because this is from that collection. So I guess they spruced them up a little bit. But why would the bottom have a different name on it? You know, it's physically the same mold, but different information. Strange. Okay. So yeah, this is great detail. You know, a whole lot of extra color. You know, the side mark, the blinker is there. There's black, there's red, this whole black stripe running around. It's a two-piece body again. Separate canopy, it seems. And then, you know, extra turn signal and inlet detail. So this might be the best of the bunch, actually, as far as the amount of work goes. Alright. Well, as usual, I like to compare it to the full-size 64 scale counterparts. So let's move this aside. So Hakusuka. So I have one from Kyosho. There we go. So let that go for a lap here. Yeah, cool. Alright. So this R30, I have a Kyosho. It just says KDR30 on the bottom of it. And it's from one of the Kyosho beads collections. So it actually has some red on the interior. It's really nice. It's got open windows, which isn't typical of Kyosho either. And then it's actually got printing on the rear license plate as well. So the beads collections are really nice from Kyosho. A little extra detail than the standard blister packs. Alrighty. So I have this blue car. The 64 scale equivalent would be from UCC Coffee. It's one of those freebies that came with 2 cups of UCC coffee. Not 2 cups, 2 cans. I think they were sold in convenience stores. Although I had to get mine. I think I had to pay for mine. It wasn't free. Alright, so it's similar looking. Alrighty. And the last one I'm going to compare to an R31 from Aoshima, from a police TV show, the Abunai Deka series. I think it's a little different, or yeah, the Aoshima is a 4-door, so that's kind of a big difference. But it is an R31. I'm not sure if they're the same car we're comparing here. No, I might be totally mistaken. Yeah, so, well, you're just going to have to accept that I don't know much. So, I make mistakes all the time in my videos. You know this by now if you've been watching for a while. Alright, well, anyways, it's all about fun for me. Just try to get some more of these comical looking vehicles. And a few comical looking characters. If you're unaware, Bandai, they made these line of Gashapon figures. And so this is Batman. I think they come in sets of like 8 different figures. I just picked it up loose because I don't need to have 6 million of these little Gashapon figures either. But I like this one because it actually has a cape. So I think it's neat. Alrighty. Well, if you like the Choro-Qs, I do. Here are some. Definitely seems like the ones that come from the Skyline Collection are better than this one. But this Jay's Tipo is an interesting set too. That has a lot of great detail too. So yeah, again, that leads me to believe this blue one is just a normal release, kind of like a mainline. But please leave a comment if you know better, because I'm pretty new to the whole Choro-Q thing here. Alright, I guess I'll see you around until I get some more. Thank you.